Hello there. So you want to know how you can use Telegram secret chats? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Telegram application and then select anyone who you want to go ahead and start a secret chat. So for example, let's say I want to do it with this person. All I'm going to do is tap on their name right over here, click on this triple dot and click on start secret chat and click on start. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to this page right over here where it's going to say you invited a man to join a secret chat. Now you just need to wait for them to come online. Now you can simply go ahead and tap here, click on this triple dot icon, or you could also click on edit right here, or let me just go ahead and show it to you. So once you've invited them right over here, you can also set up a self-destruct timer. So for example, if you want to talk as long as you want, and then once you finish your conversation, if you want it to self-destruct or self-delete itself, you can simply go ahead and add a timer to that. So it could be a day, a week, or 30 minutes or hour, or anything that you want. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.